All right, circle time. We're going to go ahead and get started with our month. Month is May. I'm not going to sing that song. But it's already coming. And today is the 13th day of May. We missed you all so much yesterday. But let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day the 13th is. Turn that up. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 You sing.
There's Sunday and there's Monday.
I can't hear you.
There's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday.
There you go.
There's Saturday.
Days of the week. 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 All right, and today is Thursday, May 13th, 2021. Let's take a look at, I keep hitting that. Let's take a look at our pattern. Remember, it's three of everything. So we have three suns. 1, 2, 3 suns. So we have three, what is this? Kite. We have to have 3 kites. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. Now I need 3 suns. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. Now I need 3 kites. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. Now I need not a kite. We need a sun because we already have 3 kites. So we go back to our sun. Tomorrow is Friday. Today, we said it's going to be sunny outside. It is sunny outside. What about tomorrow for our Friday? What kind of weather are we going to have? Rainy. Boo. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. Yeah, when we talk, our mask will fall down, and we just have to pick it back up. It is annoying, I agree, but sometimes that happens. And that's okay, but once we start feeling it come to my nose and it's going to fall off my nose, I need to pick it back up. Let's count to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Count backwards for 8. Are you ready? Here we go. Good job lifting that mask back up. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Last one. All right, let's look at some colors. Right here up front, what color is my fish? Orange. Right here in the back with your goofy mask on. What color is my bus? What color is it? What color is my bus? Yellow. There we are, buddy. I knew you knew it. Looking at shapes back here. What shape is this?
Oval.
Oval. What shape is this? Good job right here. What shape is this? What shape is this? Very nice. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is this old man. This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. All right, friends, we're working on the letter O this week. Remember, we have the letter O, make a little O when we say the word O. When I make the sound O, I make a big O with my mouth. Ah. O is the beginning of ostrich, the beginning of a octagon, and the beginning of octopus. Excellent. Let's stand up and think about where we start those letters. Eli, right? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start at the top. Start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Stand up. Stand up. Top. Stand up. You need to listen to the song. That's one. Ready? Reach up. Way up. It's at the top. Here's at the top. Reach out and touch the top. Right, listen. Reach down. Way down. It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. At the top. Do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Reach it up, now go down. Friends. Shake it in the middle. That's the middle. Stand up, top. There we go. All right, friends, have a seat on your bottoms. We're making the letter O. And to make the letter O, we need 2 magic C's. So we have our first magic C and our second magic C. Let's go ahead and hands in lap. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. Hands in lap. Eyes on the board. My turn. I'm going to sing our song about making the letter O. Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the letter O. When you get to the top. Ready? One more time. I'm going to sing it. Starting at the top. Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the letter O. When you get to the top. All right. You do it with me. Fingers up.
Ready?
Let's trace it. Here we go. Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. All right. Good job, friends. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time, and we'll see you tomorrow.